Guys, what's up? Welcome to Tech with CyberRay. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 all for free. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure you have uninstalled the Microsoft Office, previous one which you had. Just scroll down and find if you have. It will be named Microsoft Office. So I don't have that because I installed it. Close it. So let's get started. Open up your browser and type in Office, sorry, customization tool. Here it is, the Office customization tool. Hit enter. Click on the first link that pops up. Once it got open, once it got open, scroll down and give this one the 32-bit and 64-bit, the architecture. It depends on which OS you have on your laptop or PC. I have the Windows 11 Pro, so I'll go the 64-bit. If you have Windows 11 Pro, you can go with the 64-bit, or if you have the Windows 10, you can go with the 32. It's better. Scroll down and find the Office suites. Click on the drop down and click on the Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise. Not this one, this is the first one. Click on it, scroll down and find update channel. You want to change to select the update channel. It will be by default the current channel. Version also select the latest one. On the specific, you can select the specific one if you have any problem on your laptop or PC, such as if your laptop is slow or lags, something like that. I'll go with the latest and the apps. You can customize which apps you want. I don't want the OneDrive and the Outlook. Scroll down, click on next, select the language. Of course, it's English. I'll go with the UK. Scroll down and hit on next. This it's better not to change. You must not change. If you made any changes in any of this, it may affect the installation. Click on export once you're done with all of them. Click on the Office Open XML formats. Scroll down, hit OK. Click on the I accept the terms in the license agreement, this box. You must not change this file name configuration. It must be the default. Click on export. Click on keep. Now open up a new tab and type in Office Setup Download. Office Setup Download. Hit enter. Click on the first link that pops up. Scroll down and click on Download for Windows. You must not click this one, download the first option. Scroll down and click on Download for Windows. And it will get downloaded. Wait some time. Once everything got downloaded, close everything, create a new folder on desktop, name it anything you want. I'll go with Office 365, hit enter, open the folder, copy those downloaded files, Ctrl C, go to the folder, press on Ctrl V to paste them. Now click on this Office setup, right click and rename it. Rename it to setup. Now click on this desktop Office 365. To copy the address, press Ctrl C, close everything, open CMD, search for CMD, run it as administrator, click on yes. Now type this command cd space, press on Ctrl V to paste the address, hit enter. Now type this command exactly, setup space slash configure configuration.xml, hit enter, and the Microsoft Office will get downloaded. Now wait for some time to let it download. Once you have installed the Microsoft Office 365, it's time to activate the product key in order to use it. You don't need to go to Microsoft and buy the product key or search for it. You can do it using PowerShell to activate it using free with just one command. Let me show you. Press on the Windows logo key on your keyboard and type in PowerShell. This one, Windows PowerShell. Run it as an administrator. Now type this command exactly like this: IRM https colons two slashes get.activated.win and this monk and IAX. Hit enter. Now wait for some time for the pop-up to occur. Now in this, press on number 2, the Outlook Office. Number 2. Now click on press on number 1 on your keyboard. Install Outlook Office activation. Number 1. Now it's over. Wait for some time to let it activate the Microsoft Office 365. And once it's over, it's all done. You can use your Microsoft Office 365 just and no need to activate the product key monthly or like that. It's permanent. And guys, it's over. The Office is permanently activated. As you can see, Office is permanently activated. Office apps such as Word, Excel are activated. You can ignore the buy button, as they said. Now press any key, close everything, and boom, it's over. Now you can use your Office normally. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, comment down below which video you want next or which tutorial you want next. Thank you, guys. And many of you are watching my videos and shorts without subscribing to my channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech hacks and tutorials like this. Thank you, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Till that, it's Cyber Rai. Bye.